And today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search bar we should enter the name of the app, the Ampere. So let's stop here to install and let's wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on our device. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close, to OK, and here we can see information about temperature of our device battery. That's 27.8 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the level, has capacity, voltage, model of the device, Android version, and more other info. So that's guys all of the information about this application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.